Hi, happy holidays. Chag Sameach. We are in the holiday of Sukkot, Chag Sukkot. And this holiday has two main mitzvahs. The first one is to sit in a sukkah. The other one is to take the four species, connect them together and shake them. Chassidus is asking, how come we have two mitzvahs that seem to contradict each other? Why? Because sitting in the sukkah comes to indicate unity. Everyone can sit in the sukkah. Actually, the holy sages tell us that the whole nation of Israel is equally entitled to sit in a sukkah. Re'uyim kol Israel leishev besukkah. On the other hand, the four species indicate diversity. They are very different from each other. Each one looks different, feels different, smells different, etc. And still we need to connect them to each other. The answer to that intriguing question is amazing. Actually, Chag Sukkot comes to tell us that the people of Israel are one. We are united, but we are not the same. It comes actually as a phrase that is common today, unity in diversity, or negate to unity to diversity. The mitzvot of this holy day are actually the capturing of both concepts. Unity on the one hand, while preserving the diversity of the Jewish people on the other. Chag Sameach.